Hello everyone, my name is Dipanshu Garg and this is my self-reflection video for MGMT 5050. Over the past 10 weeks, I have learned many frameworks and concepts. I was already a sustainable consumer, but this course has helped me learn about sustainability, ethical leadership, and ethical decision making. I have incorporated sustainability and ethical uh, consumerism in my daily life as well. Firstly, for me, the most significant concept in this course was emotional intelligence. Uh, I knew only about self-awareness. I was not aware about self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skill. After practicing emotional intelligence and uh, learning about it, I can say that I am much aware of my surroundings. I am better organized, and I am better able to understand other people. Emotional intelligence will also help me in my future workplace as uh, it will give me better understanding of my clients as well as colleagues. Other than that, I have also learned about negotiation skills. Earlier, I did not know about terms like BATNA and resistance one. Uh, Although I have never given an interview in my life, these negotiation skills uh, will help me in my future interviews as well as dealing with the clients. Uh, I will know about what my best alternatives are and what my resistance point is. Additionally, I have also learned about cultural humility. As we study in an international university and we are getting prepared for a globalized world, practicing cultural humility uh, will go a long way, I think. Uh, Providing the room to for every culture to grow uh, is, I think, the success of a globalized world. Uh, Secondly, the feedback which I got from my tutor was to have a better professional academic writing, to have a growth mindset, and to improve the paragraph structure. I did put a lot of hard work for my second assignment, which eventually improved my referencing and analysis. But I did not get the marks which I hoped for. So I will try to inculcate this feedback and use this in my future academic papers. Lastly, how virtue ethics will help me. Um, I think virtue ethics should be practiced by each and every individual and each and every organization. Uh, Virtue ethics like prudence will help me take long-term decisions rather than impulsive decisions. Justice in treating each and every individual in fairness and equally. For example, Enron could have practiced temperance by taking moderate decisions, and Uber can practice love by providing care for each and every employee. So yeah, I think all these ethics and all the learnings from this course uh, will help me to be a better employee as well as a good leader who thinks about the society and all the stakeholders. Thank you.